It's windy and we are going for a walk. And these clouds up here are going a zillion miles an hour. Am I over exaggerating? I don't think they're actually going a zillion miles an hour. I'm keeping my hand in the same spot. Look how fast the cloud is going to the other side. It's insane. Why are you doing It's now to the other side of the screen. Insane. This is me going on a walk in a windy day. Alright, I'm gonna go up this road. These are the rain clouds. They're moving in. Oh, there's the sunshine. So it's probably going to rain while we are on a walk. But luckily, I have my hood, assuming it doesn't fly off yet. So yes, we are going this way. And hopefully, it doesn't rain, at least while we're out. Hopefully we'll see some turkeys. There are turkeys around here somewhere. So there are turkeys way over there. See, right above my finger. There are 2 turkeys in the golf course. Just wandering around. I think they're looking for food. We're walking. As you can see by my umbrella, or Matthew's umbrella, we got caught in the rain. It is now slightly clear. Well, at least it's not raining. But I do not know for how much longer.
I think it was the next one that just flew.
So, yeah. Sunshine! Look! Sunshine! There's shadows on the ground. We're walking home now. No rainbows, but sunshine. We are on our street. We are almost home. See a little bit of blue skies way over there. I only got caught in the rain once, which is good. Hello, everybody. This is our house. We're home. There's the windows to our little living room. And our little lights. We're coming up the steps. Our front door.